Welcome back to Ubad's lab, and today we're going to be unboxing some chemicals. If you're not subscribed to Modern Alchemist, I don't even know what to say to you. Great channel on YouTube, chemistry related channel. If you like my channel, you're definitely going to like his. And he's the one who sent this care package today. With all of these great chemicals and goodies. As you can see, this shirt was also in the care package. So lots of great stuff in there. You guys have to check out his channel. Lots of great stuff. Alright, it is time for the unboxing now. I'm so excited to open this thing up and see what we find. There's definitely going to be some good stuff in here. Alright. Alright. What is this? Oh, a t-shirt. I remember him, Modern Alchemist, saying that he was gonna get this made for me. Oh my god. Look how sick that is. You guys will definitely see me rocking this t-shirt in future videos. Very cool t-shirt. Alright, let's put that off to the side. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, we have something in a Ziploc bag. Let's see what this is. Good luck to you and your channel from Modern Alchemist. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. Wow. Smells pretty nice too. Damn. Look at this. I know he made this himself. You guys should definitely go check out his video on doing stuff like this with silver. It's really cool. Okay, we're putting that off to the side. Oh my god, this is off to a really cool start. And now it looks like we've got the chemicals. Alright, there's one more bag off to the side here. Let's see what this has in it. Okay, I think these are just for packing. Wow, you did a really good job packing this, man. This is really nice. Everything's really nice and secure in here. So all the chemicals are nice and safe. Ooh, another bag. Alright, I think we can put the box off to the side now. This is all that's left. I'm sure here are the goodies. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay. Look at this Modern Alchemist sticker. That is so cool. I'll definitely put this somewhere cool in the lab. I'll have to think of something cool to do with this. That's awesome. Alright, let's see what we got here. Magnesium. Nice magnesium ribbon. That's awesome. That's gonna come in really useful. Nitric acid? Yo, this is gonna... I can do so much cool stuff with this. One thing we can do is test that methanol and nitric acid liquid rocket fuel idea. Oh my god, there's so much cool stuff we can do with nitric acid. Thank you, man. Alright, let's see what we got in this one. Full Modern Alchemist is spoiling me here. Look at all this good stuff he gave. What is in this? Ooh, looks like some of the oil came out from this one. Sodium metal. Oh, okay, so it's surrounded in oil, so it doesn't get exposed to any air. That is awesome. We can definitely do some type of reaction with sodium metal and water, or we can try sodium metal and sulfuric acid. That's also a pretty sick reaction we can do. Oh my god, so many potential video ideas with this stuff. This is gonna help the channel out a lot. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, it looks like the writing got smudged, so I can't really oh, there's more writing down here. Let's see what this is. Butanol. Awesome. We got like around 150 milliliters of that. That is awesome. And he gave some really nice containers for all this stuff. Thank you, man. This is all, it's too much. It's all too much. Thank you. Alright. Let's see what else we got. They just keep on coming. So much stuff in here. NABR. Awesome. Nice fine white powder. Okay. What do we got here? Aluminum powder. Oh my god. This can we can do some really cool stuff with that. Make some like flash powders. Really awesome. Sodium metabisulfate. Yo, I remember talking about that a while ago, that I needed some of that, and I guess you remembered. We can do what was it called? Chevreul salt. That's what I wanted to make with it. The red copper complex. So I can definitely get that video going. Alright. Okay. The stuff just keeps on coming. What is this? Naphthalene. I'm actually not sure what that is. I'll have to search that up. Naphthalene. And they're like these ball-shaped, sparkly white balls. It looks really cool. I'll search up what that is afterward. Potassium dichromate. Oh, look at that vibrant orange color on that. That is awesome. Wow. I gotta get brainstorming on all the videos I can do with this stuff. Oh my god. Let me get a nice review on all the goodies right here. Wow. Okay. Let's see what's in this. There's still more. There's still more to go. Sodium thiosulfate. Look at the nice crystals on that. Awesome. All right. What else we got? Oh, gallium metal. This stuff melts pretty close to room temperature. So if you used to have the I don't know if you guys ever read that book, Disappearing Spoon. It's based the title's based off gallium spoons, which was kind of a trick because it would just melt into the water and disappear because of its low melting point as a metal, which is pretty cool. Sodium nitrite. Awesome. Look at all the stuff we've got here. This is crazy. Put this to end. Oh my god. And there's more. This is like Christmas for me right now. Oh, look at that. Nickel chloride. Look at that green color on it. It's a little jammed up, but it's a pretty fine powder. Oh my god, that is such a nice green color on that nickel chloride. Para-dichlorobenzene. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful white crystals of that. Awesome. And it seems like this is the last box here. Let's see what it is. We got a big bottle of something in here. Glacial acetic acid! Exclamation point. Awesome. We can do some cool stuff with that. Smells a bit like vinegar. That is, oh my god. Look at all of this stuff. This is so cool. Ah. Thank you to Full Modern Alchemist. This is definitely this is a great chemistry haul. This is amazing. You guys will definitely be seeing a bunch of future videos using all of this stuff. So big thanks to Full Modern Alchemist. He's really supporting the channel here. And yeah, lots of great future videos coming up with this stuff right here.